Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 7, Lesson 1. Today, and for this chapter, we're going to be focusing in on our multiplying and dividing again. Today, our focus is going to be on threes. So I kind of put some examples over there. The bone one is an array. We're going to be looking at arrays, and then we have a number line below where we are going to be doing our skip counting on a number line. So let's get started. All right, so example 1 here says there are 3 dogs. Each dog buried 4 bones in a yard. 3 dogs, and each one buried 4 bones in a yard. How many bones were buried in the yard? So our job here is we need to find 3 times 4. And another way we could write that is on top of each other, 3 times 4. Showing it right here. Okay. So our first way we can look at it is using an array of 3 times 4. So really, I could count 3 4s. 4, 8, 12. Or I could choose to count 3s if I really like counting 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. Either way, I get 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. There are 12 bones buried in the yard. If I use the commutative property, another way to write this multiplication sentence would be instead of 3 times 4, I could say 4 times 3. And that would get me to 12. So, another way instead of an array is we could use a number line if you're feeling stuck. So we'd make one jump to 4, then to 8, then to 12, and then I had to make 3 jumps. So this number line shows 3 jumps of 4 is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. There are 12 bones buried in the yard. Example 2. Luke bought 15 packs of seeds. How many different kinds of seeds does he have if there are 3 of each kind? Oh, this is a division problem or an unknown factor problem, right? So when I read this, I see, well, I need to figure out what is 15 divided by 3. But another way we could think about it is what times 3 equals 15? Okay, so, we know that 3 times 5 is 15, right? 5, 10, 15. 3 and 5 make 15. So, the commutative property tells you that 5 times 3 also equals 15. So, the unknown factor is 5. 15 divided by 3, if I count by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, I get 5 3s to make 15. So we can always check with addition, right? Repeated addition. 3 and 3, 6, and 6 makes 12, and 3 more would be 15. So here's our guided practice. It tells us to draw an array, then write 2 multiplication sentences for our problem. So we have 3 rows of 2. Remember, rows go side to side. So I have 3 rows that are going side to side that each have 2. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows that each have 2. So my multiplication sentences I could write, I have 2, 4, 6, is 3 times 2 equals 6, or 2 times 3 equals 6. So there we have it. Circle the number sentence that is represented by the number line. So I notice I'm starting at 0. I'm jumping to 5, 10, 15. How many jumps did I make? 1, 2, 3. So I made 3 jumps of 5, and I got to 15. So here is our number sentence that is represented by this number line. There we have it. That's all I have for you today, because I'd like you to just jump right in and get practicing those 3s. So make sure you let me know if you have any questions. Bye.